you know, I can't.
True
You
thing.
can't afford them. So.
We were just trying to figure out how we could get a blow-up pool in here, but we think we might damage the equipment. Cool it down. No. There's just something about a refreshing cocktail on a hot, sunny day and a pool. Yeah, even if it's a blow-up pool, I have one in my backyard, by the way. Sounds
Is that
like
an invitation?
Invitation? No. Sounds like the perfect day. Joining us now with a few of his signature blends. And of course, he is taking over the set. Trevor Luke, bartender at the Marriott Courtyard Hotel. Welcome to Weekend Smile. How are you?
Thanks for having me.
Oh, you're so fancy. Before we go any further, why you want so hype?
No, it's not
What a
hype.
fancy apron and a fancy set of tools and a fancy set.
Because we're doing wonderful cocktails. Mocktail, actually, this morning.
Trevor, I look like no
Normal bartender. No. Tyan. No, man. I'm ready. I'm ready for the team. All right. So, what are the essentials we need to make the proper summertime cool down cocktail?
Cool time for non-alcoholic cocktail, you would normally need like your sugar, lime juice, and your juice, or even carbonated beverage from your sodas, assorted sodas from your Ting, your 7-Up, Pepsi, anything you can use.
What makes a cocktail different from just any arbitrary?
Yeah, juice.
What makes a cocktail different?
Yeah, what separates a cocktail? Because
Normally, it's all based on the liquor that you use, the combination of sugar and all of that. From the spirit, you have dark, white.
So you have a special one that you're going to make for us this morning?
Yes, I'm just going to make one that you guys will really like.
Okay. What's the name of that one?
This one is called Rosy Cherry. It's
Rosy Cherry.
It's our homemade cherry soaked in rosemary bush.
Ooh, I love rosemary. Did you know that?
It's a really wonderful drink.
So it's Jamaican cherry juice.
Jamaican cherry,
Yeah.
our local product.
so what the people at home may not know is that Trevor was the bartender of the year 2018, 2019.
Then no must.
Yes.
What was that like for you?
It was actually a good experience because it roughly was 13 of us, 13 talented bartenders, and I know I was going up against talented ones. So I actually went with a mindset by doing a concept with each drinks that I created. So I guess that pushed me over the edge to stand out over everyone else.
I never hold your dress.
And
That was part of it, I'm
also.
sure.
You have to play the part because when you're behind the bar, it's like an operation room.
Yeah.
So I just I'm
like
doing
a
surgery.
Yeah.
So we have the cherry rosemary.
Yes, we have the
juice
cherry
in.
rosemary. So we're going to sweeten it with a little pineapple syrup.
And
All
you
of
guys
these can be
actually
made
put
at home.
Skin.
Yes, this is the skin of the pineapple.
Oh wow.
It's been in this roughly for about a week now.
Wow. What's it soaking in?
It's just granulated
syrup.
sugar, making its own sugar, so it's straight pineapple. So we're sweetening it with pineapple and a small amount of lime juice.
All right, I know you're the expert in it, so when you squeeze and put,
You know how much, but how
Yes,
we must know how much.
it's normally a technique that we bartenders tend to use. It's like for 1 ounce, it's like bubble 2, bubble 3, bubble 4, and that's like 1 ounce.
So
how
what
much
that means?
squeeze? How much squeeze?
No, it's not squeeze. It's actually you're free pouring, but you're counting in your mind. So you know you have
say
1
it.
ounce.
Bubble
Yes.
1, bubble 2,
Two,
bubble
bubble
3,
three,
and
bubble
that is
4.
an ounce.
And that is an ounce.
Never tried
For the
that.
2 ounce, it goes to
You
7.
know about that trend.
try it.
Yeah, I got drag, turn over the old bucket.
So we're gonna
You have the pineapple syrup, the
The
cherry,
cherry
rosemary,
rosemary, a little bit of lime juice.
A little bit of lime juice.
tubs of lime.
So we're gonna
If you do not know,
I tried that once.
everything there road. All right, add some ice. And then
yes, you're gonna top it
Voila.
off with more ice.
Sure. That's not for you. You hear? That's what I mean.
There's no alcohol, so you can actually try.
Oh no, man! I'm just letting him know that it's for Daniel.
I'm gonna.
He's gonna take it and give Daniel. Oh, and the sprig of rosemary.
Of course.
And what
I might dress
next?
it up.
A toucher. Oh, what else?
Pineapple.
Oh, pineapple. And voila.
And voila.
We ain't got no straw. So she must get a straw, right?
Yes, and it's
Hey, man, you turn it over.
eco-friendly straw.
Of course, paper.
Yes, always.
And of course, that's refreshing and clean.
It's a
and
really
it's
good
like very
drink,
fun.
so the kids can have it. If you're on medication, can have it. It's a really good drink to have.
Wow, she looks like she's ready.
She's really enjoying it.
so let's go. All right, and if we were taking something with us to the beach, like we couldn't go to the beach and get something there. If we wanted to take a nice mix, would that work? Could we like put that in an igloo, mix it and put it in an igloo? And
Yes,
just
you
work
can
with
mix it and put it in an igloo, but normally you wouldn't want to put it with ice because dilution will take place.
And
So
then
if you
the
just
taste.
yes,
the
and
ice
it's lose the taste,
separate.
all of that. But
Nice.
these are things that you can find in your home or the stores that you normally buy your stuff and just create your own mix.
Okay, and you suggest trying to bottle these things ourselves, like making our own pineapple syrup
Yes.
and cherry.
Ready
Okay,
now.
you ready? You're gonna make yours?
You,
Yep.
you
Okay.
also want to?
Yeah, man.
I have enough shaker for you guys.
Okay,
Can
I'm
you
ready.
use this one?
Let's
Yes,
go.
you can.
So I have to use the
lime
same
So
stuff?
you
or I
can use any
anything
juice
I
that you'd
want?
like.
Which one is passion?
This is passion. This is cherry. We got mango.
So why you take the passion and no say I want
We also you want guava?
No, I want
Bubble
passion.
1, bubble 2, bubble 3.
I'll
Four.
take the cherry rosemary since I like, and I mix. I must mix.
And
So
these
go
are
bubble
your
one, bubble two.
bubble one,
I
bubble
must say
two.
that.
bubble,
Bubble.
bubble 2, bubble 3, bubble 4.
And that's it.
And that's it. And these are your sweeteners. You have mint syrup.
I'll take.
We have honey.
No,
Me now get lock up for honey.
Oh, that's it.
I want a mint.
And we have our ginger extract if you're with ginger.
I
And
don't
then
like a
little-
lot of sugar, so I won't put
little
that
lime
in
juice?
there.
Yes, small amount.
So I never preps me and tell me say mango dede man.
Mango is here also, man.
Can I put pineapple in this?
Yes, you can. And pineapple goes good with ginger also, so you can try the ginger.
So what else I must put in there?
So you basically add the
I
cherry,
put mint, and I put cherry rosemary.
Mary,
How much ice? This one.
ice. Just enough. Yes, that's enough.
And get some ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger extract.
It's ginger extract, so
Two.
you have to use a
Little bit.
small amount.
Yeah.
So,
Eat that?
Yes, let me
Ready?
get the ice in it for you. Wait,
this one look
you're
like
gonna do it
nothing
at
in
the
the
same
cup?
time. You're all gonna do it at the same time.
But this one look like nothing in a my cup.
No man,
That's a whole
dilution
heap.
will happen. So
Go.
let me get the glasses for you guys. You can
Suppose
shake,
me broke it.
how more
but there's a technique.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the chaser part.
Right.
So you always have to have it face down and like that. Yes, you can girt it by the base.
By the base.
Yes, give it a firm shake. Once you see the concentration on the base, then you will know that dilution and
Right.
everything is.
Oh.
Just keep shaking.
La cucaracha. Okay.
You can use this one. I'm going to top you off with non-alcoholic.
No mine enough, sir.
Now, man, we're going to add ice and then.
Okay.
Okay.
Look here now.
Let me
No
get some more
sounds.
ice.
I want to
And
face it.
this is non-alcoholic sparkling wine.
Yes.
So just to give it a little bubbly.
Daniel, you all right?
Daniel Chris.
She's already drinking a lot.
Some kind of sport?
Yes, you can.
I feel like.
It's so nice.
I feel like. Oh my goodness.
Man, look nice.
That was. Okay.
And these are your garnish trays, so you can garnish it how you'd
However we
like.
want.
You have mango. You have
Lime,
star fruit.
lemon.
You have cane.
Cane.
Yes.
As a garnish.
Yes, you can use cane as a garnish.
Yeah,
It's
All
edible.
right, Trevor, thank you so much for coming.
Trevor.
Thank you for giving us these wonderful
Of
cocktails.
course,
this
and I
morning.
would also like to thank Marriott Courtyard where I work.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
And we'll be opening our pool bar the first week of September.
What do I say?
Yes, it's going to be a really good view for
Is
from
the all,
Emancipation
is
Park.
the all day thing? All day, all night pool?
Yeah, we're open from 3 to 11.
Okay.
So here's mine. Ta-da.
And also thanks to Bartender Academy, Debbie Spence. My mom for also encouraging me.
You win an Oscar?
Oscar, no.
But big up yourself and big up Trevor, mommy.
Yeah, man. Trevor Luke, bartender at Marriott Courtyard Hotel. Up next, Kahoot.
All right.